Good morning, everybody. We're at Walgreens and we're excited for today's couponing deals. There's some great deals, there's some okay deals. I don't know if the P&G deal is still going on. I know like the register rewards expired, but I don't know if like they reset. I'll have to see if there's any tags up, but we will see. But I'm excited to share with you guys some Walgreens deals, some stuff that we normally don't get, which I'm excited for. So let's go inside on this kind of cold morning. It's kind of cold, but it's enough where you need a jacket, but then you don't need a jacket when you're inside. I hate that. But let's go inside and have some fun anyways. Here we have the Dove shampoo and conditioner for $4. You're gonna buy 2 of them. We currently have two $2 off digital coupons. So you're gonna use this digital coupon where it's a $2 off, and then there's this one right here that's a $2 off. So you're gonna pay $4 for the 2 of them, but you will receive a $5 register reward, making this a $1 moneymaker. Now, if you do it without the digital coupons, it'll be $3 or $1.50 a bottle, which still can be a pretty okay deal. Also, they have a deal where you have to do these in separate transactions, but they have a deal where if you spend $20, you get 3,000 points when you buy the Unilever hair care products. Then they also have it here where if you buy some special kind of stuff, you might get 3,000 points. But here, if you did this deal and then you combined it with the Tresemme deal, you would get 3,000 points. But you can do them in separate transactions. Fetch Rewards will keep track of it. So you want to do this in a separate transaction because this is the same register reward deal. But here you're going to get the Tresemme. They are 2 for $12. We currently have, now I actually have 2 different 5 off of 2 digital coupons. So what you're going to do is you're going to pay 2 for $12, you're going to use that 5 off a 2 coupon. You'll pay $7, but you will receive a $5 register reward, making these just $1 each or $2 for both of them. So pretty great deal. Again, have to do these in separate transactions, but you guys can do the deals as many times as you want. So I have 2 different digital coupons for these, and I have 2 coupons for those. So here we have the Garnier Fructis and then also the whole blends. These are all both 2 for $8. Now we currently have a 3 off a 2 coupon for the Garnier whole blends, and then we also have a 3 off a 2 coupon for the Garnier Fructis. So you're going to do this deal together. This is a spend deal, so I recommend do not pay with Walgreens cash, but you can pay with Walgreens register rewards and all that other stuff. But what you're going to do is you're going to buy 2 of the Garnier Fructis and 2 of the whole blends. You're going to use both 3 off of 2 digital coupons. You will end up paying just $10 for the 3 of them, or for the 4 of them, but you will receive a $4 register reward, making them just $7 or $1.75 each. So not a hot deal, but still wanted to share with you guys with that. So here we have the L'Oreal Revitalift or L'Oreal products. I currently have a $8 off of 1 digital coupon. Now it does vary per account because this is a only for you digital coupon, but you're going to use this coupon. You might be able to use it for this toner, but it's hard to say, but you will be able to use it for like these ones that are $9.99. Basically makes it for just $1.99, which can be a pretty decent deal if you guys are looking at something like that. So every time there is a gift card deal, I will share it with you guys. So this week we have it where if you buy 2 of these, either Fanatics, which it looks like it's 25, Fandango, which is 25, Spa and Wellness, I'm not sure, 25. We got Top Golf, 25, and then here is Cinemark, which I don't have one of those movie theaters, but $10 for that. So what you could do is you'll buy 2 of them and then you will receive a $10 Walgreens gift card. This is a perfect thing that you guys can get for date night, especially with the Cinemark. Get 2 $20 or get 2 $10 gift cards. You'll pay $20, but then you'll get that $10 Walgreens gift card. That's a $30 value for $20. Awesome deal. I wish my movie theater had stuff like that, but otherwise Fandango was a pretty decent deal, but otherwise, yeah, go ahead and do the gift card deal. So we have the Colgate on sale. We have the Colgate toothpaste on sale for $4. We have the toothbrushes on sale for $4. This is just crazy. But and then we have the Colgate mouthwash on sale for $4. Now we have two $2 off digital coupons, but make sure you use the right coupon. So it looks like this one is only for like the red boxes of the Colgate. I don't even see the mouthwash on this one. So we're going to use a $2 off digital for this one, so I'll get like that one. And then I have another $2 off digital coupon, and this is for other Colgate products. So this has the toothbrushes showing up on it, and then like the Colgate Max and everything. So make sure you guys are getting the right product for that. But you're going to end up using two of those use those two $2 off coupons. You will pay $4 for two of them, but you will receive that $3 register reward, making both items just $1 or 50 cents each, which that's going to be the price you're going to pay for a lot of stuff. So wanted to share with that deal. Okay, so this one's going to be kind of confusing. So we have the Crest and Oral-B items on sale. Some of the items are like $3.50. We got some that are $3. A lot of these are in the wrong spot, so I have to do price checks on them. But we currently have, and then a lot of the toothpaste is $4, but we currently have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon. So if you bought 4 of the $3 ones right there, that comes out to be $12. You would use that 6 off of 4 digital coupon, but you would receive, it's not going to pop up, you will receive a $6 register reward. I'm not seeing any tags that say that, so it could be ended up making it free. Otherwise, if you get some of the ones that are like $4, you just got to see what your store has in stock. My store is kind of sad, but if you get 4 of the $4 ones, that's $16, and then you'll get that. It comes out to be $4 or just $1 each. So make sure you guys are checking your prices. But yeah, I'm not seeing any of them that are showing the $6 register tag, but I have to price check all my stuff. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. I've got to figure out what I'm gonna do, but yeah. This toothpaste right here qualifies for the $3 one, and it also qualifies for the register rate. So you could get 4 of these, and this one would be with the freebie with the $3 items. So here we have the Dime Tap. The cold and cough is $7.79, along with the multi cold and flu for $7.79. You're gonna buy 2 of them, but we currently have a $2 off digital coupon. So you're gonna use that, and you will pay $13.58. You can do this deal with Ibotta because it doesn't say you can't do it with a digital coupon. So what you're gonna do is you'll pay, what did I say? You'll pay $15.58. Or you'll pay $13.58, but here when you purchase the 2 items, you will receive a $5 register reward, and you will receive, sorry, Ibotta disappeared on me, you will receive $4 back with Ibotta, making that $4.58, or just $2.29 a bottle if you guys need some Dime Tap. So here's a clearance item I found. We have the Walgreens arthritis glove. It is on clearance for $6.49, and then there's a tag underneath it that says buy one get one 50% off. So you would pay $9.73 for 2 of them, but then you get a $5 register reward, making it just $4.73 for 2 of them, or $2.36 if you need an arthritis glove. Yes. Here's a great deal for Scott's toilet paper. So these are just $5, and then there's an IVC coupon for $1.25, making it $3.75. But we also have an additional $1 digital coupon, making this just $2.75 for a pack of Scott's toilet paper. So we have the Bounty Essentials for $5.49. along with the Charmin Essentials, and then we also have the Bounty, I don't even know what this is. This is a 2-pack, which my store does have. Okay, then we have the 2-pack of Bounty for $5.49, and then the regular Charmin for $5.49, which is the 4-pack. So right there. So you're gonna buy 4 of them for $4.49, but we only have a 50-cent digital coupon for all those. So this is an okay deal. So $5.49 times 4 is $21.96. You're going to use that 50-cent coupon. You would pay $21.46, but you will receive a $5 register reward, making them $16.46, or $4.11 each. So if you guys are interested in the Charmin or Bounty deal, it's an okay deal if you need to get that. Hello everybody. Yes, Walgreens is not that great today, but that is okay because I got some really great deals. I stocked up on shampoo and conditioner, something I haven't gotten a lot of in a while. So let's just dig in so I can share with you guys all my stuff that I got. So I did do the Tresemme deal twice because I had 5 off of 2 digital coupons. So I did 4 transactions, because I did 2 of the Tresemme transactions and then I did 2 of the Dove. So the Tresemme again is $6. You're going to use that 5 off of 2 digital coupon. You will pay $7, but you will receive a $5 register reward, making these just $2 or $1. And then they do count towards spend 20, get 3,000 points for fetch rewards, which I get a kick out of it. You get the bonus points, but like when you buy the product, you don't get points for it anymore. And I don't know what's going on, but I really want to go to fetch rewards. They're right down the street. They're like maybe 4 miles down the street, and I actually want to just kind of sit down and chat with them. So I don't know, maybe I should make like a Q&A video or something, that maybe if I could go visit them, because I know like fetch rewards is not as good as what it used to be. I'm going to tell you guys that, and a lot of you guys agree. I don't know, if you guys want me to do something like that, I will definitely see if I can contact them and see what we could do. I know for everybody else, like my mom loves the app. For me, I love the app, but it's not as beneficial like it used to be. So we got that. So again, I bought 2 of those in I bought 4 of them together, but in separate transactions. Then I got the Dove shampoo and conditioner, and I used a $2 off digital coupon, except in one transaction, one $2 off came off, and then in the other transaction, the other $2 off came off. They both didn't come off at the same time. So basically, you'll get these for $4, you'll get these for $8, but then you'll use the $2 off digital coupon, making it either, if you guys can get both of them, you'll either pay $4 or you will pay $6. It just depends on what way you guys can do that. But then you will again receive that $5 register reward, making it just $1 moneymaker or $1 each. So pretty great deal for some Dove. And again, you get points for the Dove. Now, when I scanned my Dove receipts for fetch, I did receive there's the Unilever bonus, which I got that, and you can redeem it. And then there's that other bonus, and I got this for buying Dove. So if I buy $6.40 more of Dove, I should go back and do this. I would get, how much are they? They're $8, so $8. If I spend $6.40 more, I will get 3,000 points. And then if I buy another, okay, $10.23, I'll get 3,000 points. So that's not gonna happen. But giving you guys a heads up with that. Then I did the Garnier Fructis and the Whole Blends. Now, keep in mind, I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company, so I always pay a little bit less out of pocket. So this is the reason why I did this. But these are 2 for $8. I used a 3 off of 2 digital coupon for this one and a 3 off of 2 digital coupon for this one. You would pay $10 for this, but then you will receive a $3 register reward, making them just $7 or $1.75. So I got a ton of $5 ones. I gotta move to the side. Sorry, there's a guy out here panhandling. He didn't knock on my window because he saw me talking to my camera, but there's a guy parked right next to me, and he's just been sitting in his car. I'm not scared, not feeling threatened or anything, but I just don't like it. But yeah, here, you get the $3 register reward. making them $7 or $1.75 each, which is an okay deal. But usually those Garnier Fructis coupons are only like a week long, so we'll get them again. Okay. Then I did the Oral-B and the Crest deal. Did I finally get in out of this car? Yes. Okay. So I got the Crest toothpaste. These were the only ones that were $3, and then I got some of the toothbrushes that were $3. You're gonna buy 4 of them total. You'll use that 6 off of 4 digital coupon, but you will end up paying, if I did my math right, you'll pay $6, but then you will receive a $6 register reward, making them all for free. All free. So yes, make sure you guys are price checking everything. The little tiny baby bottles of the Crest mouthwash was included too for the $3 price, but yeah. And I think my store is getting all new, like a whole new wall of makeup, because there's so much makeup on clearance. Last night I was doing the breakdowns, and CoverGirl, there was $4 Ibotta CoverGirl digitals. And I'm like, so wait, I get to the store and they're all gone. I'm like, really? I was really looking forward to using the Ibotta rebates, but yeah, they just disappear like that. And then what else did I get for you guys? Oh, I got the Colgate. So I ended up getting the toothpaste and toothbrush. These were $4. I used 2 $2 off digital coupons. You would pay $4 for it, but then you get a $3 register reward, making them just $1 or 50 cents each. So yeah, like I said, I stocked up on a lot of personal care products because I haven't got a lot of that stuff in a while. So my grand total was $39.09, $39.09. I did 4 transactions, and I had a thing where if you spent like what 30, you got 7, and I didn't realize that until afterwards. But that's okay. But $39.09, I did receive $32 in register rewards. But again, I didn't pay that price. I probably paid, what did I pay? Like $5 for everything, because I paid with a lot of register rewards. I paid with a lot of points, except the TrustMe transaction. But yeah, I only received 63 cents for points. Fetch rewards, I did receive 3,000 points. So if I go inside the store right now and I get that deal for Dove, I would pay $8 for that. But then I would get, what, $5 back, so it comes to 3, so then you get the 3, so it'd be free. But yeah, 19 items for $3.46. That's 18 cents each, which I am pretty happy with everything that I got. Yeah, it's a little bit of a slow week. There's probably a lot more deals out there, but I just couldn't find it. Like I said, my store is, oh, I did the L'Oreal deal. I did get the L'Oreal makeup, where it was the makeup remover for, was it $9.99? And then there was that $1 or $8 off digital coupon. I did do that. I just can't find it right now because it's in my pile of bags. Yeah. So I hope you guys have an awesome Sunday. I know everybody's gonna be, most of you guys hopefully might be watching the Super Bowl. I like watching it just for the commercials, not for other reasons, but yeah. So I hope you guys have an awesome Sunday. Make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week for another Walgreens haul. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thank you for 60,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. I just started YouTube for fun, and now it's like I absolutely love it. But my goal is to hit 100,000. My goal is to hit 100,000. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.